All right, there was no super good videos online of how to do this. How to measure the tongue weight of your trailer with a bathroom scale without spending hundreds of dollars on a fancy scale. So the constant in whatever your setup is will be, I have this piece of round pipe or steel. You can use round anything. Piece of round pipe. From the center of that round pipe, I measured 1 foot. That will be the center of your trailer jack. That always stays the same. From the non-scale end, it will be 1 foot from your round piece on center to your trailer jack. 1 foot. Okay? Now, I have this board here. It's basically a 4x4. Exactly 5 foot from the center of my other pipe there, 5 foot down, I have another pipe. Now you could change that. You could have 2 foot, 3 foot, 10 foot, doesn't matter. As long as the jack sits 1 foot from the non-scale end. Oh, and also the height of your scale, see how that's about 2 inches there? On your non-scale end, I have a board that's about 2 inches. You have to level this board out as good as you can. Anyways, 1 foot center to center there. Doesn't matter how long, I have 5 foot here. Now, what you're gonna multiply by. See, I have 160 pounds reading on this scale. Since I have my 2 centers, my 2 pipes, 5 foot apart, I'm gonna multiply by 5. Okay, so right now I have 800 pounds of tongue weight on this trailer, which weighs 2,000 plus 4,000. It's about where I want it. It's a little light, but whatever. You also want to make sure your trailer, I measured from the top of the deck to the ground, the top of the deck to the ground. You want to make sure it's about the same. I'm about 1 inch higher in the front, but whatever. About the same there. So you want your trailer level, you want your measuring stick level, your non-scale pipe that is supported by the same thickness wood as your scale will be 1 foot away from your trailer jack. And then however far you have your non-scale pipe to your scale pipe, 5 foot, you'll multiply by that number times 5. Okay, so you could potentially weigh any amount set up here. You do want to make sure, I have this hitch loose. I lowered my trailer all the way down until this hitch got tight, so I knew there was some weight on the truck. And then I raised it back up, so there's absolutely no weight on the truck right now. This is just to give you an ideal, a roundabout where the trailer is going to be sitting. So this is a good, easy way. And I just put some screws, 4 screws, there's 2 here and 2 on the back side of this 4x4 to hold my pipe in there. So that's a pretty good way. You want 10 to 15% of your total trailer, toolbox, tools, car, fuel, everything that's behind here, 10 to 15% of that total weight needs to be on your truck. And again, this is a roundabout, save you a couple $100 on a heavy duty scale, but that's how you do it. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. It's the math. As long as that stays a constant 1 foot, you can keep them. You know, I've said it. Hopefully I've explained it nicely here. But there you go.